In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. This process is pretty straightforward, but adds a great touch of personalization to your video calls. Whether you're setting a virtual office space or a fun and quirky setting, adjusting your background can help set the right tone for any meeting. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Teams, which you can access via your web browser or the desktop app. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using your credentials. If you're already signed in, you may be prompted to select your account, making it quick to get started. Make sure you're using the account linked with your organization or team projects to seamlessly join meetings. Now, let's find the video icon, generally located in your Teams interface. When you click on this video icon, it usually leads you to a menu where you can start a new meeting. If you're joining a meeting already in progress, you'll often find options to join with the background selection available as well. If you're initiating a new meeting, click on Start Meeting. Once your meeting screen is set up, look for the three dots icon known as More Options. It's usually located in the toolbar area of your meeting window. When you click on these three dots, it opens a list of additional settings that give you control over your Teams meeting environment. It's a small but extremely useful feature that not everyone takes advantage of. In the menu that appears, find and select the Video Effects and Settings option. This brings up choices for customizing your video call experience, including the ability to blur your background or even replace it with a static image. It offers a great way to maintain professionalism or add a personal flair to your calls. Now let's move on to selecting the background you'd like to use. Teams typically provides a variety of backgrounds to choose from, ranging from plain colors to more elaborate scenes. Take a moment to browse through these options. Remember, the background you choose reflects not just your mood, but can communicate your professionalism or creativity to others in the meeting. Once you've picked the perfect background, simply hit apply to set it. But before you finalize your selection, you may want to preview how it looks. This ensures it aligns well with what you want to convey and checks that your video quality remains clear and unobstructed. Applying the background doesn't interfere with your video call. You can continue as usual, now with a refreshed backdrop. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your background in Microsoft Teams. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds depending on the context of your meetings. With these easy steps, you can always keep your virtual meetings fresh and engaging. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your Microsoft Teams experience.